All right, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. All right, we're doing a shopping center test here on FSD version 12.3, and this is a pretty busy shopping center here in Sterling, Virginia. We've got starting off a series of speed bumps, so nice job slowing down for that one. It doesn't even show up on the map here, but it did slow down for it, so I like how it took that into account. But I do have a car in front of me, so we're getting ready to hit a stop sign with a really tight left turn. Sometimes cars get in the way of this, so I'm really interested to see how FSD is going to handle this. Nice job being able to pick up people pretty far away. Alright, so here's the stop sign that I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, where people stick out a little bit far. She did exactly that. So FSD scooted far right. I like that. And it's making a left, and notice how there's someone in the way here. FSD is keeping that into account. And overall, really nice job scooting through this parking lot. And yeah, as you can see, another intersection here. Stop sign, full stop. I've got the right of way, so it continues really tight right turn right next to the Burlington here. It did a really good job. That's like a really tight 90-degree turn, so we got to make a left here, and let's see if it can go ahead and make the left, and then let's see if it can grab this green light. That would be super epic, because I need to go left, and so starting off with this car, it wanted to keep into account, and now it's speeding up a little bit. So let's see if I'm able to catch this green light. That would be really epic, and it does. Really nice job getting me out of the shopping center. Ooh, got a little close to the cones there, but it just felt that way. It wasn't, it didn't touch or anything. And then nice immediate lane change. Wow, I'm really impressed with FSD version 12. 0 takeovers in this drive. It did everything that I wanted it to do, and it did it exactly how I would have done it. No difference. Wow, it's really like at that point where I feel like I'm gonna start using it now more than driving, because it's doing everything for me. I take over when I get a little frustrated, when it's being slow and it's thinking too much and hesitating. But if it can do the right moves and drive the way it's supposed to, then I'm gonna find myself using this a lot more. And honestly, like, this is the way to go. So yeah, it's safer, it's got more eyes around it, around the car, so it can see from the back and from the sides, and it does a really good job about being aware of what kind of roads it's on and just adapting to the dynamics. So having this and yourself as a driver, it's just kind of like a life hack and a cheat mode on the road, because in any car you can have yourself as a driver, but if you have this then to perform all these moves that you find tedious or just flat out boring, then you can then just drive all the fun parts. It really adds a level to your time on the road. And I think it's just fun to watch a computer drive, but at the same time, you have to be so vigilant, especially with the level of smoothness that's coming out. You want to increase the level of vigilance. That's something that I never, I always say in all my videos, no two drives are ever the same. Everything is variable based, and you really have to pay attention. It's still a computer software driving for you at the end of the day. It's no time to be in the back seat trying to fall asleep or anything like that. Just be ready to take over. FSD can fail and has before, for whatever reason. So enjoy it for when it works, but also, stay on the edge of your seat and just be prepared for everything. So yeah, all in all, it did a really good job here. I'm still working with this speed lane change option and this automatic speed offset. So there it goes, and now it switched it to max, but I did get greeted with red hands also. So I'm still working with adjusting to how that works, and hopefully you know, that is easier than having to use a scroll wheel. I'm still trying to determine that, since 12.3 is that early. I just got it yesterday, or like 2 days ago. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.